Well, hello and welcome to this video introducing my new intro for the first time. Terve! Onko vihaisia tienosakkaita tossa? Kiitoksia tiedosta. It's always good idea to stop and if you see someone, ask. Is it okay if I can ride? Yeah, this is definitely a road that they don't use too much. Not many cars driving here because there's so much grass. You can say that the tire tracks are still without grass, but almost all the other parts of the road are full of grass. Very nice road, indeed. Yes, now it ends. That was a nice track, very nice. Anyway, this first one looks like it's very possible that there will be at least a traffic sign that says that no driving, or maybe even a gate, but we will see. We will see quite soon. Very nice road, at least. Nice. Here is no traffic sign, no gate. There was a traffic sign actually, but it says that maximum 6 tons. I'm a little bit less than that, luckily.
Time
Here is old road sign that says Somero to the left, Forssa to the right. Yes box. Service done to my rear suspension and especially the shock. So what they do actually in this service, I removed the shock from the bike, and then they took the shock and they removed the spring, and then they take out all the old oil, and then they check all the seals that there is inside, and then they change the seals, then they clean everything quite nicely even, and then they put the new stuff in, the new gas and the new oil. And now I have like perfect rear shock, almost feels like new. And the difference that I can notice right away is that first of all, when I'm sitting on the bike, it doesn't go so low that it did earlier before this service. And when I'm riding on the small pumps, this feels more stable. It doesn't bounce, it doesn't go down that much. This feels like much lighter to ride actually. It feels more like a sport bike almost. So this is what they do in the shock service, and I had almost 25,000 kilometers, maybe 22 or 23,000 kilometers in this rear shock already. So thank you TTM Factory, who did the service for me, and I definitely recommend to take your bike to this service because it makes miracles to your bike, and your bike will feel like it's almost like a new one. So many wooden bridges and so little time. And so much countryside landscape everywhere all the time. Luckily for this I do have time, because I'm on a summer holiday. And exactly what I was thinking, that it would be nice to ride a little bit smaller road also. And then it comes just like I ordered. This I can definitely say already, that this is a small forest road, or kind of forest road. It had a name, so it's still probably official, not necessarily totally private road, but that is not very easy to recognize. But it's very nice. And I looked from the map at it, it looks like it's quite many kilometers like this. So I'm going to enjoy a lot with the new rear suspension. It was nice that you have been watching this video. Thank you for watching. We will see in the next one. Bye bye. Let's see how tricky this will be. Not difficult with this bike.